the president of the motherland, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, and a visited Blackstars, Wabra, on work camp, on your training.
Qualify for the AFCON. But even where we qualified for the AFCON, we crashed out very early the last time. And so we haven't given up on you.
Na o expressing ho na the key point I will share no kan and you will become wasem everybody video mo ahwe wa bra na o de to dwase no nkofo ke ka kire ne say ans no be Black Star match na busua on fe bi ntu ne yam e say Black Star match de say they win no say Arsenal each and every season bia no we still hope for next season Jaguar fans dem nyina somewhere Kama Studios and then they come about this platform you subscribe to your platform YouTube now if you follow your TikTok Facebook style for Abdul na bibia kama and Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the president of the motherland, I Okopiem where Blackstars ne camp abusia wa bra na Blackstars am here training ahead of any Chad World Cup qualifiers game abusia because of Ghana has say na or expressing a gratitude any the love and support as the second term as the president for this country in abusia wo ye nyema bebre in his first 2 months or 3 months in abusia or ye nyema odnuma gwakomu or no processing nyema. Now, his first visit to the Black Star camp was to motivate them and also encourage them to, put smile on Ghanaians on a face because Ghana for bread.
We still believe that the Black Stars can find its glory again.
AFCON 8-man qualify into a last hope. This World Cup qualifiers, I wish you na Ochemu Obompa said the Black Stars of Ghana wish you bit me qualify na any strong any or drunk of former the Black Stars of Ghana and Bushia, you be saying that love no back on.
It's dependent on you and the technical team and the management committee. It takes sacrifice, it takes strength. We all like to watch you when you play for your teams.
Near the ba or my now you want a video number ya ba become one seven match show and send me your course between His Excellency and the Black Stars players and Omukushia or Black Stars campaign. His Excellency
I am here on behalf of all Ghanaians as the President of the Republic to just cheer you on and encourage you. Ghanaians have had their hearts broken by the fact that we didn't qualify for the AFCON. But even where we qualified for the AFCON, we crashed out very early the last time. And so we haven't given up on you. We still believe that the Black Stars can find its glory again. And it's dependent on you and the technical team and the management committee. It takes sacrifice, it takes strength. We all like to watch you when you play for your teams, and we expect that you bring some of that dedication to the national team. Playing for the national team is not as lucrative as playing for your individual teams. But still, that sense of pride and patriotism that your nation, has gone to the World Cup is something that is worth dying for. And so, before you start the qualifiers, let's put the AFCON debacle behind us and let's look forward. I know that in the World Cup qualifiers, you're going to redeem yourselves. If we play and we qualify, Ghanaians will find it in their hearts to come fully behind the team again. And I know you can do it. You're all talented players. We're going to continue to support you, not only for the World Cup, but beyond. We think that we must build a very strong team. And the way to build a strong team is to find the resources to bring you together as much as possible so that you're playing together. And then also to look for young talents to join you so that you also can play with them and bring them up as the next generation of the stars. I'll take time off and watch the game myself. Even though my heart is not very good at watching soccer, I will brave it. They say I should eat before I go and sit down. And my hope is that you will justify my sitting and watching you guys. The whole of Ghana is going to be behind you, and I'm sure that you can make it.
Abusua His Excellency and amote ne nka no wakasa bebre ne nsem no abusua eno a ene agbagu no na putie His Excellency ne nsem wo kana last I quite remember ye AFCON qualifiers Ketu Kreku ekopie mu Black Star camp of fire players, fire kudus, fire jiku And for your players, say, how are you playing for the Black Stars? Where is the love and the spirit? By this time around, I can see this happiness and this love, because when His Excellency was sacking some big men in the country, or sacking positions, no, including the Empire Nabusia, Kenyans were voting, say this GFA president Keto Kweku should be sacked. He said he is the worst GFA president in the country. Sana nankofo bebre na eka wasem say that His Excellency who board manemum GFA president die sack no, because ye gidi say kululu bi because of Black Star camp. Ene am band ball the there you echna ebo party echna ebo kudus ochna ye jiku enti no musu say there be anema na koso no mani njon. Even your coaching system no mo believe say there be some people in one coaching system no, they didn't qualify or they don't qualify to be in that position. Now today what I noticed on His Excellency his visit to the Black Star camp was the former players showing love, showing up to motivate the other players and encourage them and show them how the Black Stars is being played.
If we play and we qualify, Ghanaians will find it in their hearts.
What I said, the love and the spirit in the people to come and cheer them up. I saw Stephen Appiah over there. He was a captain for this country. And then I also saw Asamoah over there and some prominent people. You never be brave now. Motivate these people said no. Put the football you are playing in your club side, but when you come to the national team, we need the spirit and the enthusiasm you used to play for your various clubs. But when you are here, we beg you, this is where the happiness lies. This is where the people will cherish you forever. Asna na oba, asna tong na sa okoma you abusia. That's all. They don't have any business with you again. You have become the legend of the club. That's all. You don't have any root over there. But when you play for the Black Star and you play with enthusiasm, you play with passion, the people is going to remember you forever. And that's, we can make mention of Asamoah, you can make mention of Stephen Appiah, Samuel Kofor, Abedi Pele, and the Coos. See what I say. So His Excellency went there to motivate them. Unlike the previous Keto Kweku visit to there go and bash them, this time it didn't go like that. And then Keto Kweku himself was even introducing some of the former teammates to the new Black Star players, Abusia. And I love that. This is what is going on in the country, and I need to bring to your notice. I need to bring on board for you guys to know whatever is trending. Don't forget to subscribe, put us on post notification so there be any updates. I will get you notified on this platform. Thanks for watching. I'm finally out.